Welcome to Paramed. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful tools you have for improving your heart health, your diet. By making smart choices, you can actively work to lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol. Avocados are a superstar for heart health. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, the good one. Add them to salads, smoothies, or spread them on whole grain toast. Bananas aren't just for energy. They also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. Try slicing a banana into your morning oats or blending it into a smoothie. Beans and other legumes, like lentils and chickpeas, are packed with fiber and plant protein. Regularly eating beans can reduce LDL cholesterol and keep blood sugar levels stable. Add them to soups, stews, or make a hearty bean salad. Spinach is full of plant sterols, compounds that block cholesterol absorption in the intestines. It's also loaded with vitamins, iron, and antioxidants that support blood vessel health. Enjoy it fresh in salads or lightly sautéed with olive oil. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables, like cauliflower and kale, help the liver remove extra cholesterol from the body. They're also high in fiber and antioxidants. Steam it, roast it, or toss it into a veggie stir-fry. Oats are one of the best foods to lower cholesterol. They contain beta-glucan, a special type of soluble fiber that traps cholesterol and helps your body get rid of it. Start your morning with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and flaxseed. Yes, a bit of cocoa can be good for your heart. Natural, unsweetened cocoa contains flavonoids that help increase HDL cholesterol and improve blood flow. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa or add raw cacao powder to smoothies. Here are a few simple meal ideas. Breakfast, oatmeal with banana slices and a spoon of cocoa powder. Lunch, lentil salad with spinach, avocado, and olive oil. Dinner, stir-fried broccoli and beans over brown rice. And for dessert, a small piece of dark chocolate. To protect your heart, reduce foods high in saturated and trans fats, like processed meats, fried foods, pastries, and full-fat dairy. These can increase LDL cholesterol and inflammation in the body. What about eggs? For years, eggs were seen as a cholesterol enemy, but modern studies show that moderate consumption, about 1 egg per day, doesn't significantly raise cholesterol. However, if you already have high cholesterol or heart disease, it's best to limit eggs to 3 to 4 per week. By focusing on whole plant-based foods, you can build a delicious and sustainable diet that supports your heart. We hope this video helps you on your health journey. Subscribe to the Paramed channel for more expert-backed tips.